For this example, we have filmed a guitarist using 3 cameras and recording sound on a separate audio recorder. Before we import everything into Premiere, to avoid confusion, we're going to rename the individual clips to help identify which camera angle they are. You can also rename the audio too, particularly if you've done multiple takes. You can now drag and drop the folders into Premiere to import everything. With everything imported, we can now start adding our clips and audio to the timeline. First, drag camera A onto video channel 1, then add camera B onto the second video layer above that, and camera C on the third layer above that. Make sure each time you're adding the audio to the timeline too. Lastly, add your separate audio recording to the timeline, beneath all the existing audio channels. At this point, Premiere will always show the video layer that's on the highest video channel, so if you need to see a channel underneath, you can toggle video channels on and off using the eye icon. In this example, we're using a 4K timeline, and one of our clips was filmed in 1080. So if we right-click on this clip and select Scale to Frame Size, this will scale the 1080 clip up to 4K resolution, ready to use. Now we're ready to synchronize.